Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Power Automate creates automated workflows between apps and services in minutes. It reduces repetitive work and moves data reliably. There are 3 primary flow types: automated, instant, and scheduled flows. Each flow runs from a trigger and uses actions to perform tasks. Connectors link apps and services using triggers and actions for real-world automation. You can use built-in connectors, premium connectors, and custom connectors as needed. Start with a trigger, add actions, then save and run the flow. Use the Flow Designer to drag actions and configure fields visually. Use templates to save time and customize them in the designer. Set conditions and loops to handle branching logic and multiple items. Use expressions for data parsing and the compose action for intermediate values. Name your flow clearly and add descriptive notes for future maintenance. Run tests and review the run history to inspect inputs and outputs. Use the step-by-step run viewer to find failing steps and error messages quickly. Use the expression editor and compose to troubleshoot data and errors between actions. Add scope actions to group steps and apply parallel branches for efficiency. Limit connectors, use least privilege, and monitor runs for security and cost control. Document run frequency, expected triggers, and any.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.